One Up on Wall Street is a book by Peter Lynch that offers valuable insights into the world of investing, drawing from Lynch's own experiences as a successful investor and fund manager. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a personal finance classic that contrasts the financial philosophies of two father figures, providing thought-provoking perspectives on wealth accumulation and financial independence. Get Rich Carefully, written by Jim Cramer, provides a comprehensive guide to navigating the stock market with caution and strategic planning, offering practical advice for long-term investment success. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko sheds light on the habits and lifestyles of ordinary millionaires, challenging common perceptions of wealth and offering valuable lessons on building and maintaining financial prosperity. Benjamin Graham, known as the father of value investing, authored The Intelligent Investor, a timeless investment guide that emphasizes the importance of thorough analysis, patience, and discipline in the pursuit of long-term financial success. As we continue our journey through the fascinating world of finance, remember that your support is what fuels us. If you found value in our content, we kindly ask that you show your appreciation by clicking the like button. And if you want to stay tuned for more insightful analyses and guides, remember to subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us keep producing content that aids you in your pursuit of financial success. Let's grow together in this journey of financial literacy.